Today I'll be testing for voltage on a 2007 Toyota Camry at the fuel pump, the wiring harness with the multimeter. First you set it on 20 volt DC. Come on. Then you find the two main wires that send voltage to the fuel pump. That's this one and this one. Alright, I got it set up with the help of my pliers. They have 0.03 voltage. Now I'm going to crank the car. Voltage going to the fuel pump. There you go. Got voltage. One more time. Got voltage. And that's a sign of a bad fuel pump. Car won't start. Okay, I came to the engine room for glove box. So I went ahead and pulled the gas line, the fuel line off, and it was completely dry. No fuel. Even when I cranked the car, nothing. Completely dry. So the fuel pump is no good.